Hello, I'm Kai Washington, your modern green goddess, and I am here today with your Valentine's Day gift guide. And this is also my premiere back into YouTube. So I have YouTube videos and I post them, but I haven't been like active on YouTube in a little while. And I wanted to hop back on in case you didn't use regular social media platforms and you wanted to have this as an outlet. I wanted to make some videos for you guys. So this will be my first YouTube video. I will post this on Instagram the first time, and then I will be doing exclusive videos only for YouTube as well. So thank you for coming and hanging out with me, and let's get into it. So I picked some items from the brand Beautycounter, which is a brand that I have loved and used in my clean beauty journey for the past 5 years, that I thought were excellent gifts. Now, this is the week of Valentine's Day, so if you're a guy or girl getting a gift for your loved one, you have this week to get them. You can use expedited shipping, and if you do, I will pay the difference, so that you only have to pay for standard shipping to get these products to your loved ones on time. But I'm also offering this offer for anybody who is celebrating self-love, because I am celebrating self-love and Valentine's Day all month by taking care of and loving myself. And so if you're picking something up for yourself and you want it to be here by Valentine's Day, if you use expedited shipping, I will pay the difference for you, or reimburse you for the expedited shipping rate, like the difference, for picking things up this week. So let's get into the gifts. So some of them are products and one of them is a service. So stick around to the end for the awesome service, but let's get into the products. So the very first thing is you want to get yourself or your Valentine some things that will really give them in the spirit of loving yourself. And if you know me, you know that I think it's just as important to spend loving time with your body as it is with your mind and soul. So with that in mind, we are going to talk about some beautiful body products. So the very first thing is this. This is the Beautycounter Sugar Buff Body Scrub, and it has lemongrass oil in it. So if you are a fan of lemongrass like me, you will love this. It's been reformulated. It used to be like more of like an oily formula that you had to mix, and they kind of like pre-blended it for you. So it makes it a little easier to use in the shower. This is one of my favorite Beautycounter products of all time. And I know in almost every gift guide I gush about it, but it's really that good. It really resurfaces the skin, and it makes the skin so hydrated that oftentimes you can just skip your lotion. So highly recommend the lemongrass sugar scrub as a great gift. The next thing I want to talk about is what you do after the scrub. So you could just do the scrub and it's so moisturizing that you could just like go on your date or climb in the bed and watch your favorite movie or whatever you're going to do after your experience. But if you wanted a little moisture, or if you are going out, one of these things will help with that as well, or both of them will. So I want to talk about oils. Okay. So the first one is something I've been using forever, and it is the Beautycounter body oil in citrus rosemary. Such beautiful product and such beautiful packaging. It has a Kai hair on it from my bathroom. But this is a really beautiful product. It's very lightweight and it smells really nice. It has it smells like citrus rosemary, but it's like a very light smell. Very nice. I've actually even used like a little drop of this as hair oil, and it works really well for me. So I like that I can use it for both. It will leave a mild sheen on the skin, but it will kind of disappear into the skin very quickly. So if you are using your scrub and then you want to use your oil and you want to like get into your clothes pretty quickly, the citrus rosemary oil is one of those oils that absorbs kind of quick. So it's good that you can get dressed right after. Love that oil. I feel like If you are non-binary, a guy would like it, as well as someone who identifies as she or her. It works kind of across the board, and I highly recommend it. It is a beautiful light oil. Now, this other oil for all of my she, her identifiers is the Glow Shimmer Oil from Beautycounter. Sadly, this product, I'm shaking it up because you have to shake it up in order for it to work, but sadly, this product is being discontinued. So if you are interested in this, you need to pick it up right away. So I love to use this if I have like a nice date or something. It has like a little pipette so you can kind of get the perfect amount out. I like to use my regular moisturizer, whatever that's gonna be, and then just pop this on top, just because I don't like to be like glowy and shimmery everywhere. I like to be very strategic about it. So I'll do like the tops of my shoulders, my décolleté, the outsides of my arms, the center of your legs. It'll make your legs look insanely good. But you can see it just gives like the most beautiful glow. It also smells, it's very faint, but it does have like a very pleasant smell to it as well. So if you're a person that maybe likes a light scent and wants to skip perfume, or if you wear some sort of fragrance and you don't want it to overpower, this is a really good product. As a pro artist, I also have this in my kit. So I actually just bought this brand new one. I have one for my personal use, but I bought this brand new one to put in my kit. Actually, this is great for special event. It makes your skin look glowy and incredible, and you can just kind of rub it on, or like me, strategically place it to add beam and glow to the skin. Another great way to use this beautiful product is as a very natural highlight. So you could just take the tiniest amount and then dot it on the high points of your cheekbones to give you some glow. So this is a really, really awesome product, and I highly recommend in our gift guide. And the final product, and then we're going to talk about an awesome service, is to get these cute little guys. So this is a jellies set. So there's 3 sets. This set is the sorbet and peppermint set, but there's also a raspberry and cocoa, which is my personal favorite. And I also really like the 3rd set, which has the honey lip gloss in it, which is like one of my faves as well. It comes with orange, creamsicle, and honey. But they're all really, really great. These are great for Valentine's, but also this is such a great gift to give, especially during COVID time, because they're like high gloss shine. They're very moisturizing, and they're super small and compact. So you can stick them in your pocket. I have a little chapstick holder on my keychain, and I have my honey one in the chapstick holder right now. So it's something you can touch up with on the go. As you know, everybody is wearing a mask in public now, and wearing like a bold lipstick might not be something that you want to do and then wear a mask, right? But you can wear these. They are mainly clear. They might give you the tiniest hint of color. So if you're team natural, these are gorgeous for you. And also, they won't mess up your mask. So I think that these are really great. I had to take my photo again for DMV to get a new ID, and I didn't want to put lips on because, I mean, obviously I had to wear a mask the whole time I was there, but right when I took it off, because I had one of these on my keychain, I just threw some lip gloss on and then was able to take my photo, which turned out pretty good, by the way. So there's that. And the last thing I want to talk about is giving your loved one an experience. So I am teaching a class along with Pink Moon about holistic beauty on February 20th. So you can get the tickets now, and then you or your loved one can attend the class on February 20th. The class includes all of the products we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how to view beauty from the inside out, why ingredients matter, and how you can use these beauty techniques and rituals to heal your skin. And so everything it comes with it, including beautiful face oils. You're going to get a couple of natural lip products that I'm going to show you how to do an entire face with. I'm actually wearing one right now as a complete makeup look. So I want you guys to get in on this. Go to pinkmoon.co and sign up. You can also check out Modern Green Goddess. I will post it there as well. But if you want to get the tickets right away, go to pinkmoon.co, sign up. And like I said, I will post a Modern Green Goddess too. And that is it for my guide, you guys. I hope you have a beautiful product experience and a beautiful service experience for your loved one or for yourself, because you deserve it. And thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what YouTube videos you guys want to see. I'm working on some stuff, but I want to get you guys what you want. Okay, have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.